Sorry, I won't say that.
Period. Yeah.
Did you read Bonnie's comment?
Yeah. I know. Giving me trouble.
Nice draw.
Yes.
Oh.
Look at their shots. I've marked their shots. This one is actually over here, but I put it on their side. Yeah, you see the other one's on the blue line. They haven't got a shot from closer than the blue line.
Yeah, dude, his grandma just said, don't do that again. And then he started going. Oh, really?
I think Trevor is 18.
Vanek jumping up. Perfect.
Give it.
Don't jinx it. No. He made tier 2 top 10.
No, we didn't. Wait. Yeah, he was.
Roll in.
What's Vanek doing there?
I don't know.
Time to pull out. Probably.
Exactly, yeah. Move in, Nemo. Move in.
Dude, his evaluation sheets. Oh. My dad picked him because my dad thought he was good. Dude, he
Vanek's he's still down there.
Yeah. He doesn't quite get the. You're in and
Yeah.
then you're out.
the evaluators
Yeah, he still wants it.
Oh, but he's tired. He's got to. He wasn't coming back to play the blue line. He was
No,
coming
he
back
was coming to
change.
get out.
There's not one outside
Who's the Benny covering him the whole time on the blue
Yeah.
line?
Yeah.
Side players like the head coaches.
It's the closest any of the Nemishes have been to a blue line in years.
I wondered why he's playing defense.
No, my dad was
Feet.
my dad's a coach. No, it would be Sean Johnston and Steve. Well, my dad hasn't asked anybody.